Okay, so for the density lab, I have to fill out this data table. So for this data table, I needed 5 pennies, which I have right here on the counter. I needed a graduated cylinder, but this is the only one that came with the lab, and it only goes to 25, and a penny couldn't fit in there. So I'm using a beaker. And then for the other part of the lab, I needed a ruler, which I measured my phone and the mass of the phone, and then I need this little guy here. So to start off with this, it is B1 equals the mass of 5 pennies. Okay, so B1 is going to be 13.12. So 13.12. Okay. C1 is the total mass, so it's B1 plus the next 5 pennies. So I'm going to assume that every 5 pennies is 13.12 because that's all I have is 5 pennies. So I'm just going to do 13.12 times 2, 26.24. Which is probably inaccurate because I'm sure not all pennies weigh the same, but I have 2 kids, so 5 was good for me to get my hands on. Let's see. D1 is the volume of water after adding 5 pennies. Okay, so I put 25 in here. I don't know if it's a very good thing of it, but see, this here is going to be 20, and this line's 30. So halfway in between is going to be 25. So we're going to put the 5 pennies in there. Okay. We're going to tap the sides. Just tap to get the bubbles out. So we tapped all right. So then we are going to go to look at it again. I'm going to set it on here. And we can see that it really didn't move all that much. I'm kind of not on even ground here. Let's see. It really didn't move all that much. Let's see if this helps. Kind of see where the line is. So it's really close. So it was at 25, and now I would say, let's see this back on there. And so now I would say it's probably at 26, honestly, because it didn't really move. 26. So we're gonna go with 26. So that would mean D1 is 26. Now, C1 divided by D1. So C1 is 26.24 because that is B1 plus the next 5 pennies divided by 26, which is the volume of water after adding 5 pennies. So it's 26 after adding. And it's 1.009. Okay. All right, and then, so B2 is going to be the mass in B1 plus the next 5 pennies. So B1 plus the next 5 is 26.24. And then C2 is going to be B2 plus the next 5 pennies. So it's going to be 26.24 plus the next 5. 2, 39.36. And then this increased 1 milliliter. So I'm going to say it's increasing another milliliter because I don't have 5 more pennies. So we're going to say 27 milliliters is what it's going to go to. So then we did divide the 39.36 divided by 27, and it's 1.457, so we'll do 1.46. Okay. And then the next one is going to be B3 is going to be the 26.24 plus 13.12. So that's 39.36 this go around. And then the C is adding another 5 pennies, 13.12. So it's going to be 52.48. And then we're going to say it's going to go up another milliliter. So 28 milliliters. So then we're going to do 52.48 divided by 28, and it's going to be 1.87. 1.87. Okay. gonna be 5248 is gonna be B4, because that's the mass in B3 plus the next 5 pennies. And then the C is gonna be 52.48 plus 13.12, and that's gonna be 65.60. We're gonna say it's gonna go up another milliliter, so 29 milliliters total. So it'd be 6560 divided by 29. That's gonna be 2.26. 2.26. And then the next one is gonna be that 6560 is gonna be the B5 plus 13.12. That's gonna be C5. So it's gonna be 78.72. And then it's gonna go up another milliliter, so it'll be 30 mils. So it'll be 78.72 divided by 30. That's gonna give us 2.62. Okay, so then the average density. So the average density, we're gonna add up all the densities and then we're gonna divide by how many there are. That'll give us the average. So we're gonna do the 1.009 plus 1.46 plus 1.87 plus 2.26 plus 2.62 equals, that's 9.219, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 5 densities. So we're going to divide 9.21 by 5. It's going to be 1.84 is going to be the average density. Okay. And that, let's see, I'll just hold it up. So that would be this chart being filled out here, as well as filling out this chart here, all on the video. And given our total density here of 1.84 being the average density. Okay. And then the problems before that I've already done, but I did the mass of the phone. I tried to do it on here, but I couldn't because it can't go more than 100 grams. So I Googled it, and the mass of an iPhone X is 174. And then I did the length, 5.71, the width, which was 0.51, the height, which was 5.71, and the volume 7.89. And then I put the formula here, density equals mass divided by volume. And then so I did the mass, 174, divided by the volume, 7.89, and then it was 22.05 for that problem. And then this page for the mass of your regular solid, which was the pennies, 13.12, and then the final versus initial, and then the chart after that.